We have examined the basic data types like int, floor, char, double, and so on. So these are known as the built-in or the basic data type. Then there are something called as user-defined data types, which we can create or build using the basic data type. Examples of them are structures, unions, class, and enums. In this session, I shall be talking about an enum kind of a data type. It's a little odd to understand, but it's very simple once I take an example and explain the theory. If you try to understand theory first and then the example, it becomes a little tricky. But if you look at the example and then the theory, it's really easy. So what I have done is enum is a keyword for declaring choice as a model containing these following constant values. One is very bad, bad, satisfactory, good, very good, and excellent. What happens is internally very bad takes the value 0, bad takes 1, satisfactory 2, good 3, very good 4, and excellent 5. So this is just the model of the enum data type. This is just a showing how the enum variable is going to look like. Now choice is the model name. So now if I say choice, my choice is now a variable of the enum type of data. Now let's take a look at it again. Suppose I say enum, my enum type. Enum is a keyword. This is my something similar to choice. I say alpha, beta, and gamma. Alpha will automatically be given the value 0, beta will be given the value 1, and gamma will take the value of 2. Now, instead of allowing it to start giving values 0, 1, and 2, I can give my own values. Now, let's say I have enum foot size. So, what will happen is small takes the value 5, medium takes the value 10, and large takes the value 100. Suppose I don't give large any value. After 10, what is the next number? Large will automatically become 11. So here I am explicitly giving the values to enum data type. Now let's take a look at a program and try to understand the use of this enum chap. So here what I have done is I have included a header file iostream.h. I have declared how a enum is going to look. Enum is a keyword, week is a model of the enum data type, which is going to contain Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. What it means is Monday gets assigned the value 0, Tuesday 1, Wednesday 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So starting with each of these days of the week, they get assigned integer values assigned to them 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this just tells me that I can now create enum type variables using this word week. So when I say week, DOW stands for day of the week. So I want to know what number represents a day of a week. So if I say day of the week is equal to Sunday, so 6 will be assigned to day of the week. I hope you're getting what I'm saying. 6 will be assigned to day of the week. Now when I try to print Sunday, and if I print DOW, it will print 6 plus 1 is 7. Since I am starting from 0, 0 giving the value 0 to Monday doesn't make sense to common people. That's why I'm printing everything by adding 1 to it, and this ends the program. So here what I have done is, here I have just created the model. No space is allocated for this. Based on this model, I have created one user created variable called as DOW. In DOW, I can give different values to DOW. If I say DOW is equal to Tuesday, it will get the value 1. If I say DOW is equal to Saturday, it will get the value 5. So when I am doing this printing, I am getting DOW plus 1, that is 6 plus 1, 7 is being printed. So I hope this gives you some idea about enum. A lot of it will be more clear as you begin to work on different examples. Now, enum or it literally expands for enumerated data type. Enumeration means also lists. User defined enum is a user defined data type consisting of a set of named constants. These are set of named constants. All these Monday to Sunday are a set of constants, okay, called as enumerators. These are all list of values or enumerators. Enum will assign the values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 to them automatically sequentially. Enum is a different way of creating constant. What was the example of a symbolic constant? Hash defined pi is 3.142. I could also say hash defined Monday is 0, hash defined Tuesday is 1, hash defined Wednesday is 3 or 2, hash defined Thursday is 4. Instead of that, I can use enum for creating constants where Monday represents 0, Tuesday represents 1 and so on. The syntax for declaring an enum is enum and tag. This week happens to be a tag. Using this tag, I can create variables of this particular data type. And then this enum list stands for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. This is for definition of the enum type. Now, if I have to create a enum type of variable, I'll use the tag and I will declare it something like this: week, day of the week, for declaration of the variable of the type tag. All right, so this is how you get the enum works. Let's take a look at a couple of minor points which you should know when you are using enum. All right, this is just for conceptual clarity. Okay, there are enum. If you remember, we had talked about implicit and explicit data conversion. Enum type conversion rules are applicable only in C++. Enum implicitly by the compiler can be converted to int. Suppose I have enum, my enum type alpha, beta, gamma. Then I can do something like this. I can say int I is equal to beta. Beta is 1. So I also becomes 1. I say int j is equal to 3 plus gamma. Gamma is 2. 2 plus 1 is, or sorry, int j is equal to 3 plus gamma. Gamma is 0, 1 and 2. 3 plus 2 is j is equal to 5. So you can do such things using enums. Now, on the other hand, you cannot implicitly convert an int to an enum. You can convert an enum to an int, but you cannot convert an int to an enum. For example, my enum type x is a variable. You cannot assign it the value 2. This is wrong. It will not be allowed by the compiler. This also, my enum type y is equal to 1, 2, 3. It should not allowed by the compiler. So with this, we finish most of the discussion about the theoretical concepts in this particular course. From the next chapter onwards, we're going to look at a number of problems, and that's where the interesting part really begins, because you can type in your program, see the output, and doing programming will give you a lot of thrill and enjoyment. So just be sure that you take whatever programs are given by me, type them, execute them. Even on a mobile phone, I'll show you a way where you can execute the programs and find out the output. There's something called as an online GDB C++ compiler. You can run your C++ programs even on a mobile phone without requiring your PC. Okay, until then,